Something that you have on the inside. Something that you have on the inside. No more crying. No more crying. The Bible says weeping may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning. Joy every day. Joy every day. Joy every day. I say joy every day. Shout amen, somebody. You know what it means? It means joy on Monday. It means joy on Tuesday. You see, this joy is irrespective of what happens. You might lose your job, but you're still full of joy. You might lose an opportunity, but you're still full of joy. Paul called it joy unspeakable and full of glory. He says, this joy, in other words, you can't describe it. I'm full of joy. So what happens? Joy on Wednesday. Joy on Thursday. Doesn't matter. I haven't accomplished what I need to do, but I still have joy. Joy on Friday. Joy on Saturday. Joy on Sunday. Joy every day.